Hello and welcome to another update video about Algorand. Heavily requested after the breakout yesterday, so we did videos about Algorand. We've been doing them for a few days now because I know a few of you guys want to see them, and we've been saying that we are going to see a breakout very soon. We've had this cup and handle pattern shape on a larger scale, but also on a smaller scale. We have seen that cup and a handle here. What I did say when I did the video yesterday before the breakout, I said we made higher lows, very classical scenario where you see higher lows. We can't really get away from this resistance line anymore that we had here, and we were breaking out. So we managed to break out. We actually got to exactly that line that I put onto the chart here, which was the 135, which was support and resistance before. Sorry, not 135, 134. That's where we got to yesterday. You can clearly see that we exactly bounced off this line. This is now a short, very short consolidation before we are going to move up. And you can see that because we are again making higher lows here, we have found support at the 20-day moving average. Sorry, this is a 20 period moving average on the 4-hour chart. We found support here, 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 and all the time. So no reason to believe why it should be different this time. Exactly at 130. After the move to the upside yesterday, I think what we have here, very classical, is a bull flag formation. You can see that either this way, you can do it a few different ways, but we're moving into the apex now. This is the 4-hour chart, and it won't take long until we see the next breakout to the upside. So I'm, very bullish still on, Algorand. We've made that bullish crossover. The MACD is actually going up. The RSI is just about below the overbought territory, which is normal for an uptrend as well. It could even go into the overbought territory. So from my point of view, from a crypto point of view, there is room to the upside because we've seen Cardano going to 90, for example. Oops, that was not intended. And generally, it looks so healthy, this chart. We're making higher lows. We're actually seeing an increase in momentum. You can clearly see that, whereas some other cryptos are losing momentum, Algorand is still making and gaining momentum. You can clearly see that if we just draw some trend lines, you can so clearly see that. And that's, by the way, what I think is still coming for Coty, for example. We've seen that with IOTA already, and I made videos on all of these before we've seen the breakout. So guys, be ready for another breakout. I think this is just a very quick consolidation again now at 130. I mean, we've seen that breakout. We're above this level here. First time that we've been at this level since May, and there isn't a lot stopping us getting back to these levels. So I said 133, and I think the next one then is 140. To be honest, I haven't had a closer look at this chart in terms of resistance and support levels, but I think this one here comes from the daily, this resistance level. But the most important thing is we are going up, guys, and that's what I've been saying. That is what I think. I think fundamentally this project is really good. There are a few things here with tokenomics, but I talked about them in other videos, and I think they will get them sorted. And then, yeah, I think it's still, for me personally, it's not too late to buy. I think the best is still to come. So, because we are, go with the trend. That's what I like to do, and we are currently in an uptrend, and as long as we are gaining momentum, nothing wrong with getting on board, but of course not financial advice. But here we can see that we've seen the 133. Now this is another important resistance and support level here, the 140. I think that's the next price target. I think we can expect that shortly, especially with Bitcoin going up at the moment. Algorand might be following very soon. So just a very short update today. I think that's pretty much a good summary of where we are at the moment. Hope you liked it. Hope you appreciated it. Let me know what you think, where we're getting. Let me know if you have any Algorand. And then I hope we'll see each other at 140. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.